Growing up in a close-knit Italian family, I don't remember ever going out to dinner. We always had dinner at home. It was about cooking for your family and enjoying your family at the dinner table. It was a tradition that started with my mom making homemade pizza that I carried forward, and now my grandson comes over expecting homemade pizzas on Fridays. Bringing these traditions to Colorado was my way of keeping my family close to me. Every family should have a home. My father was a mason. He built factories all across the Chicago area, and he built our family home. He got great satisfaction out of the fact that those homes will be there after he's gone. Your home becomes personal and meaningful to you as you build your memories with your family. A home is so important, and being in the industry and seeing what's out there, I'm thankful I'm with Sotheby's International Realty. Work is something I love to do. I have developed a passion for working with young people, finding homes that are not on their radar, communities they don't know about. It just feels good to help them get started. Being a longtime resident of the Denver area, when I'm working with people, I want them to know that I have their best interests in mind. This home is so special, and we are going to give our all to make sure that everybody knows that. Whether it's selling a home or helping a buyer find a home, this is who I am. With my knowledge of the different communities, this is the best way I know that I can help somebody.